Hey guys, Kimberly Thomason here. Vac MD is where I'm at. And today, Saturday, I want to show you a new product that we just got in and that we're going to be ordering to sell in the store. It's called Nellie's. Nellie's is a new company, somewhat new. James Roberts is a founder. He named it based off of his mom, Nellie, who used to use her own green cleaning products and to honor her, he created an entire line of cleaning products free of toxins, free of phosphates. All the cleaning products are eco-friendly, hypoallergenic, and highly effective in cleaning as well to help keep the planet and your clothes or your dishes or your floors spotless. So the product I'm going to show you today is called Nellie's Wow Mop, and I haven't tried it out yet. I wanted you to see the wow factor as I'm using it for the first time, which is why they came up with the name. It is an oscillating mop, and what does that mean? You use a electric toothbrush on your teeth because you can't possibly scrub your teeth enough, so we have the same for mops. That's what the Nellie's does. It's oscillating. You will get up to 1,000 scrubs per minute. I'm gonna put this down so you can see how we're doing. It's rechargeable, it's cordless. You see, as I pull back the handle, it has some LED lights. I will show you the LED lights, so it helps you find that dirt that might be underneath furniture in an area where you can't see as well. Also, you'll see the head pivots 180 degrees to get into small spaces. Remember, Nellie's cleaners are plant-based, biodegradable, and contain no harsh chemicals, phosphates, or strong perfumes. And you can use, there's a place where you can add some Nellie's cleaner, or you can use your own preferred cleaner, water, in this mop. So you don't have to use the Nellie's cleaner, although it is fantastic. So very easy to touch the on-off button here. There it is. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. Here we go, guys. So you spray a little bit of the cleaner. I am barely touching this. Children can use this so easily. You can actually make the handle a little bit shorter so your kids can participate. This is amazing. I wish you all could try this out. Crazy. So easy. Sarah's even interested behind the camera here. It's low profile. You'll see it's only about less than 4 inches, 10 centimeters. You get 1 hour of cleaning time per charge, which should be plenty. Yeah, this is pretty awesome. Oops, I just sprayed it again. Let's see what those. See how that oscillates? All right. So Nellie's cleaning products don't just end at your floor. Let me show you what else we are going to be carrying. So Nellie's carries dishwashing powder and I love these, Lammy dryer balls. These are great to put in your dryer and help prevent the static. They also have laundry soda, which I will tell you more about in future videos. I'm going to take it home and try it myself. And some oxygen brightener. I have so many white clothes that I want to try this on, so I will be showing you some before and after pictures on that as well. And so if you are interested, let us know. We are going to be placing a great order for these, and we will have them in stock before the holidays. So hopefully you guys will stop by and try it out as well. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.